What if I told you there's a digital currency you can mine on your phone just by tapping a button every day? And what if I told you some people believe 1 unit could be worth $314,159? This isn't a script for a sci-fi movie, my friends. This is the story of Pi Network quietly taking over smartphones around the world, especially here in India. The buzz is deafening. A single Pi coin valued at $314,159. It sounds absolutely insane, almost too good to be true. But that number is a rallying cry for a massive community convinced they're on a digital goldmine. We are a nation of over 1.2 billion people with access to smartphones. Youth hungry for opportunity, always looking for the next big thing. A simple cryptocurrency that doesn't need expensive computers is incredibly appealing. It promises to bring the power of digital money to the masses, the rickshaw driver, the college student, the small shop owner. This isn't just trading, it's about creating a new kind of economy. Imagine paying for your chai with Pi, or buying groceries with coins you mined on your phone. The dream is big, the number is astronomical, a symbol of ambition. So, is this real? Can a mobile app create wealth on this scale, or is it a digital mirage? Today, we dive into Pi Network. What it is, why India's excited, what $314,159 means, and what must happen for the dream to become real. Let's get into it.
Buckle up.
Millions tapping daily, a network effect waiting to ignite, but numbers mean nothing without reality. So let's break it down.
Simple, but clever.
At its core, Pi is a digital currency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, with one massive twist. Born at Stanford by a team of PhDs to make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike energy-hungry mining, Pi runs from your phone without draining battery or data. You log presence, prove you're human, and get rewarded. It uses an energy-efficient consensus approach inspired by Stellar, and grows through trusted invites, fueling viral expansion to tens of millions. Download, join with an invite, open daily, tap. No heavy compute, the complex work isn't on your device. Invite trusted people, your rate increases. A social experiment to solve adoption first. India is mobile first with ultra-affordable data and massive app usage. Pi is mobile-friendly, easy, requires no technical expertise and no money to start. A young, ambitious, curious population chasing financial opportunity. Exchanges feel complex, KYC, fees, charts. Pi removes friction, no bank link, no charts, no financial risk to start, just tap. That simplicity is Pi's superpower in India. Combine 1.2 population, massive smartphone penetration, a young demographic, and rising crypto curiosity, viral adoption. Beyond free money, it's a low-risk path into the future of finance. With 1.2 potential users, India could determine the outcome of this global experiment.
Friction down, curiosity up.
Now, about that $314,159 number. It's a playful nod to the constant PI 3.14159, adopted as a symbolic goal. A meme turned movement, a way to signal belief in the network's value. Pi is in an enclosed mainnet, disconnected. You can't officially sell for fiat yet. $314,159 is a dream target that keeps the community engaged and tapping. Value is collective belief. If enough accepted, it becomes real value. That number may seem impossible today, but it anchors a shared aspiration. A dream is one thing, execution is everything. First milestone, open mainnet. Pi connects to the outside world. Only then can coins list on exchanges and discover true market price. But listing alone isn't enough. Utility sustains value. Pi needs apps, social, freelance, e-commerce that accept and reward in Pi. More utility, more demand, stronger value. Without utility, it's just a number on a screen. KYC verifies real humans at massive scale, blocking bots and fakes. People must trust security, safety of coins, and fairness. Tens of millions today. To be global, hundreds of millions or billions. India's 1.2B could tip the scales, if trust and utility are real. The blueprint is clear, even if the road is long.
Mainnet.
Open Mainnet connects Pi to markets and other chains. For the first time, potential conversion to dollars, euros, and rupees. But it's also the riskiest moment. Millions got Pi free, many will sell immediately. Early selling could crash price fast. Hence the cautious delays, waiting for KYC coverage and real app utility. They must give reasons to hold and use, not just sell. Build demand strong enough to absorb sell pressure.
Execution decides everything.
Pi walks a line between revolutionary potential and massive speculation. If mainnet plus apps plus stable value, critics proven wrong. If stalls, bubble pops. The biggest risk, Pi's value could be near zero. Launched in 2019, open mainnet still pending, frustration grows. Data privacy matters, mass KYC means trust. In India, evolving regulations could limit trading or use. Believing in the Pi dream means accepting it might not come true.
So, will Pi change the game for India?
We've seen the hype, the hope, and the hard realities. A mobile-first crypto for the masses, simple, accessible. A community with a sky-high $314,159 dream. If Pi launches stable utility, it could be a paradigm shift for inclusion, micro-earnings for students and small businesses, aligned with Digital India, grassroots, parallel economies. Success depends on execution, secure scalable mainnet, rich apps, earn trust. Failure means a cautionary tale and a useless number on screens. Can Pi hit $314,159? Highly unlikely soon. The real question, can Pi reach any stable, useful value in a circular economy? Even a few dollars or cents could be monumental if widely used. It would onboard millions of Indians to Web3, changing money habits. The Pi story is far from over. For India, the most exciting chapter may be about to begin.
Believe carefully, build relentlessly.
This video is for education, never financial advice. Like, subscribe, and tell us hype or history in the making.
New deep dives every week.